What if I told you that eating bread every single day could be silently changing your brain, your fat storage, and even your energy levels without you realizing it? Most people think bread is harmless. Some even think it's healthy. But here's the truth. Your body reacts to bread like flipping a switch. And depending on the type, that switch could either fuel you or slowly drain you. Bread has been a staple for over 10,000 years. From ancient civilizations to modern diets, it's everywhere. But here's the controversy. Bread is bad for you. Is that actually true? Or just another diet myth? Because what happens inside your body after eating bread is way more complex than you think. And one part of this process, most people never notice it happening. The moment you take a bite of bread, it doesn't wait. Your saliva immediately starts breaking it down, turning starch into sugar right in your mouth. But here's the twist. Your body treats this almost the same as sugar. Within minutes, glucose floods your bloodstream. Your body panics slightly and releases insulin like a cleanup crew. At first, you feel energized, sharp, focused, alive. But then, that afternoon crash, you feel, this might be why. Now imagine this, happening every single day. Your body starts adapting. Too much glucose, it stores the extra. Where? Fat. But here's the part nobody tells you. It's not just about weight. Bread doesn't just affect your body, it affects your brain. Every spike and crash creates a cycle. Craving, satisfaction, then craving again. Like a loop you didn't sign up for. That's I need more carbs feeling. It might not be hunger at all. So, is bread the villain? Not exactly, because here's the truth most people miss. Not all bread is the same. Meaning, some bread can actually help your body. Certain breads, especially whole grain, feed something inside you, your gut bacteria. And this affects more than just your stomach. The right kind of bread can actually give you longer lasting energy. No crash, no burnout, just steady fuel. So why do most people still feel tired? Because modern bread isn't what it used to be. Highly processed, stripped of fiber, designed for taste, not your biology. This is where things start going wrong. Here's a bold truth. Bread isn't the problem. The type of bread is. Cutting all bread might not fix your health, but choosing the wrong kind every day, that might slowly damage it. So what should you actually do? If you eat bread every single day, your body will adapt. It can either become a cycle of spikes, crashes, and cravings, or a stable system fueled by slow, steady energy. The difference? One simple choice: what kind of bread you eat. So now, I'm curious, what kind of bread are you eating every day? Comment, white or whole, below, and I'll tell you exactly what it's doing inside your body. And if you want to see what your favorite foods are really doing to you, hit subscribe